Release the headrest. Identify seat covers. Separate the Velcro. And zip the cover. Slide the seat cover down from the top. Using both thumbs, firmly press down on the area around the headrest installation openings to reveal them. Use the included tool to tuck the Velcro into the back of the seat. Make sure to use the flat side of the tool, not the grooved side. Detach the dust shield from the back of the seat. Hang the dust shield in the pocket above. Retrieve the Velcro you just tucked in, avoiding any wires. Flip the Velcro up and attach it to the Velcro on the back. Pull the zipper on the side of the cover. You can use the grooved side of the tool to help zip it easily. Tuck the zipper inside the seat cover for a neater appearance. Front seat bottom cover, installation, and fasten the quick release buckle on the back of the seat cover. Place the seat cover onto the seat, ensuring the foam side is facing outward. Use the flat side of the tool to push the female buckle into the back of the seat. Use the grooved side of the tool to thread the elastic bands through the seat seams and under the seat. Use the flat side of the tool to tuck the foam into the seat seams. Loosen the elastic bands and tie a knot at the end. Use the tool's grooved side to thread the elastics at the knot under the seat. For convenience, hang the dust shield of the seat cover temporarily in the pocket. Take out the female buckle and the seat cover extension, avoiding any wires. Connect the male and female buckles and pull the strap tight. To tighten, pull the end of the strap downward. Use a clip to secure the 3 elastic bands together. Pull the ends of the elastic bands tight and tie them together. Attach the dust shield to a secure spot under the seat. Compare the shape of the headrest to determine the front and back. Flip the bottom edge up for easier installation. Slide the headrest into the cover. Tuck the small side wings inward. Secure the Velcro in place. Attach the headrest back onto the seat. Raise the armrest. Place the elastic band into the armrest. Adjust the console cover to fully encase the armrest. Separate the Velcro. There are labels inside the covers to help the positions of the seat covers. Unzip the cover. Detach the rear seat headrest by pressing the button on the side. Pull up the adjustment lever on the side of the seat bottom to lower the seat back. Slide the seat cover onto the seat, ensuring the seat belt is free. Zip the cover closed. Use the grooved side of the tool to help with this. Conceal the excess zipper inside the seat cover for a cleaner look. Using both thumbs, firmly press down on the area around the headrest installation openings to reveal them. Tuck the Velcro into the seams, avoiding the Isofix connectors. Detach the dust shield. The elastic band hangs on a thin metal rod. Forcefully spread apart the fastening clips, then push upward to detach them from the metal rod. Fold the dust shield into the seat cover. Pull the auxiliary strap to release the Velcro and attach it to the Velcro on the back. Follow the same steps for the other side. Pull the auxiliary strap to release the Velcro and attach it to the Velcro on the back. Use the flat side of the tool to tuck the edges of the seat cover into the seams for a perfect appearance. Install the other side using the same method. For Tucson models 2020 to 2024, you don't need to detach the seat to install the car seat cover and fasten the quick-release buckle on the seat cover. Place the seat cover onto the seat. Tuck the buckle into the back of the seat. Take the buckle out from under the seat. Connect the male and female buckles and pull the strap tight. Pull the ends of the elastic bands tight and tie them together. Follow the same steps to install the other seat bottom cover. Pull the ends of the elastic bands tight and tie them together. Align the headrest by comparing its shape to determine the front and back. Flip the bottom edge out for easier access. Position the headrest into the cover correctly. Tuck the small side wings inward. Attach the Velcro in place. Reinstall the headrest. Press the lever to adjust the height. Installation complete.